Hello everyone, you're welcome back again to my channel. So how you all doing? I believe you are doing perfectly fine. For me, I'm doing so fine by the grace of God. So if you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. I really appreciate your visiting. Okay, please do join this family by subscribing. I need you to stay put, okay, because in this channel you will surely be blessed. Turn on the bell so you get notified anytime I upload videos. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the book of Psalm to read for cleansing. This is a book of Psalm that you should use for cleansing, to get rid of bad energies, to get rid of any sins, any filthy things you have put your hands. If you want your prayers to be answered, if you want open doors in every areas of your life, if you want God to touch you in one way or the other, you have to cleanse yourself. And reading this psalm will help so much to boost your prayers. This prayer is for you if you experience disappointment, failure, delay, so many stuff, so many bad stuffs. Or if you have been having so many bad energies lately, you have to cleanse yourself. And doing that, you have to select the right verse from book of Psalm to read for cleansing. I'm going to show you the right way to read this for best results. Believe me, after doing all this, you surely give your testimony. Do not forget to come and thank me later. No, thank your God. Alright, so this is also for you if you desire to cleanse yourself. Like most people, they prosper. They are just, everything is just working for them. But they just want to be cleansing themselves occasionally, like, time to time, to open doors for them and to stop evil attacks from the enemy. This is also very important if you have been committing sin lately. Sin, I mean, is all this committing sin like abortion, murder, dipping your hands in blood. This will help so much. Okay, so the book of Psalm to read is Psalm 51. You have to read it, take it seriously. If you want things to turn around for you, you have to take it seriously. So have you been praying so many times or fasting always and questioning yourself, why is my prayer not being answered? Maybe that is because there are so many things you should do before praying and before fasting. So why I always say cleansing. Cleansing is very important for every soul. You have to cleanse yourself from bad energies. Like some people around you may just come around you just to leave bad energies, negative energies behind. And these negative energies can just end up, causing harm to you without you knowing. Yes, you may have a positive energy, but people around you may just, fill with bad energies that will just end up bringing so many hillocks for you. They may just destroy you. Like anything you put your hands, it will not work. You just need to cleanse yourself. And why I always say cleansing is because if you do not cleanse yourself time to time, you may drive away your guardian angels. You have to cleanse yourself to welcome them, to always make them to be around you always, and to assist you in one way or the other. God is the ultimate, but you need these angels to always be there for you to direct your steps. Godly angels, positive angels, good angels. So you have to cleanse yourself so that whenever you kneel down or whenever you do any spiritual work, it will work perfectly. Like fast, anything you put your hands, you just start working well. Even if it's something that is being difficult for other people to do, but when you go there, when you do it, yours will be different. So it's always best to follow on with instructions. Godly instructions, spiritual instructions. If you follow on instructions, things will turn around for the best. There are some people, they will just bring someone, like win a soul or invite someone to the church. I want to use a church as an example. I know many of you belong in different religions or the other. But like if they bring someone to the church for the first time and then they have been in the church for many years, they may not obtain blessing, or they may be experiencing delay in their prayers. While that person that they just brought will just start, manifesting, things will just start turning around for the person. I don't know if you have experienced that or if it happened to someone you know. but I really know because I can tell I'm a testimony. So it's always best whenever someone tells you to do this, you know that that thing is right, and you know, as long as it's a spiritual stuff, and if there's no fetish thing around it, you have to do it. Okay, you have to do it and follow on with the instructions. If they tell you bring this, you have to bring it. For example, in my, if you check my videos, other ones, I made this of salt. It's like I made this of salt for cleansing. I've been using salt in different ways to perform spiritual work. So salt is multi-purpose in any spiritual work you are doing. So it's just the way you made this of it, the purpose you want to use it for, that is going to work for you. So if someone say, bring salt, use salt to do this work, you have to use salt. Do not go and say, oh, can I use the other thing? Because if you end up using something else, it may not work for you. So you have to cleanse yourself before you start using those spiritual stuffs. Cleansing is very important. If you want to know how to cleanse yourself using salt and using egg, you have to check my video. I'm also going to be leaving the link in this description, okay, for you to see how to cleanse yourself. So you have to use this verse. This verse is very important. The book of Psalm 51. Every word by word is very important, okay? Every word by word. You have to read it as you do those cleansing. Any cleansing you want to do, make sure you read the verses. Say these prayers. Psalm 51, very effective. Just do it and you see everything turning around for you. Open doors, breakthroughs, everything you desire will start coming to you by the grace of God. Everything will work out for you. As long as you are in this channel, everything will blossom, okay? So that is all for now. Read Psalm 51 and God will surely bless you. If this video has been helpful to you, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe in case you have not subscribed, okay? Share this video to everyone. Also, I'll see you in my next video. Just remain blessed and safe.